Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Titchfield High and Campion College. This is the grand finals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 47th Grand Finals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Jean-Paul Menu, and your judges are Dr. James Smith for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. Tonight, we will crown a new champion. Let's get into the action, shall we? It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Titchfield High won and decided to bat first. So we begin with Titchfield High. This section lasts for 5 minutes. May I please have that time on the clock? Titchfield, Bible knowledge. Name the individual whose act of disobedience caused the defeat of the Israelites at Ai. Achan. Correct. Bible knowledge for Campion. Which city did Joshua give to Caleb as his inheritance? Hebron. Correct. Biology for Titchfield. Fish oil is a rich source of which polyunsaturated fatty acids?
Omega-3.
Correct. Biology for Campion. Omega-3 fatty acids are said to aid in the prevention and control of diseases of which organ?
The heart.
Correct. English language for Titchfield. Does the word truculent mean strong, aggressive, or amiable?
Aggressive.
Is correct. English language for Campion. Does the word penurious mean stingy, kind, or abundant?
Stingy.
That's right. Local and international affairs, a visual clue for Titchfield High. Look at the monitor and give the first and last name of this person.
Dmitry Medvedev.
Prime Minister of Russia, correct. Local and international affairs for Campion College. Look at the monitor and give the full name of this person.
So that is
Tavi Roivas.
Elio Di Rupo, Prime Minister of Belgium. General knowledge for Titchfield High. From which country did Mozambique gain independence in 1975?
Portugal.
That's right. General knowledge for Campion. From which country did Chad gain independence in 1960?
France.
Is correct. Geography for Titchfield. Morocco shares eastern borders with what two countries?
So this is Algeria and Mali.
Algeria and Mali.
Algeria and Mauritania. Geography for Campion. Kenya shares northern borders with what two countries?
Ethiopia and Uganda.
Ethiopia and South Sudan. Music and audio clue for Titchfield High. Listen to the following clip and give the stage name of this singer, please.
You love brag and you love show off, Lord. You mother long like a shovel.
Go give one name like
Tenasa.
Josie Wales. Music for Campion. Listen to the following clip and give the stage name of this singer.
Take up the mic and fling your lyrics. Ragamuffin, Mr. Cat, I mean.
Supercat.
Is correct. Chemistry for Titchfield. How many stable, naturally occurring isotopes does lead have?
4.
Correct. Chemistry for Campion. How many naturally occurring isotopes does iron have?
3.
4. Mathematics for Titchfield. A sales rep receives a 6% commission on the selling price of a gown. If his commission was $960, what was the selling price of the gown?
That is
$12,000.
$16,000. Mathematics for Campion. A fruit seller had some apples. He sells 40% of the apples and still has 420 apples. How many apples did he have originally?
2 times 5. This is 1,050.
700. Theatre and cinema, a visual clue for Titchfield High. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Steven Spielberg.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for Campion. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Quentin Tarantino.
Quentin Tarantino.
Correct. History for Titchfield. Give the first and last name of the United States president who visited Cuba during the presidency of Gerardo Machado.
Calvin Coolidge.
Correct. History for Campion College. Which year was U.S. President Calvin Coolidge's visit to Cuba?
1928.
1928.
Correct. Sport. A visual clue for Titchfield High. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jamie Vardy.
Jamie Vardy.
Correct. Sport for Campion. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Ivan Rakitic. Ivan Rakitic.
Correct. Physics for Titchfield. What is the mass of an electron in kilograms to 1 decimal place?
9.1. So this is 9.1 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms.
Did you say 10 to the minus?
31
31 is correct. Physics for Campion. What is the value of the elementary charge in coulombs to 1 decimal place?
1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs.
Very good. Spanish for Titchfield. Translate this question to English. ¿Cómo está tu hermano?
How is your brother?
How is your brother?
Correct. Spanish for Campion. Translate this question to English. ¿Dónde está el cuarto de baño?
Where's the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom?
That's right. Information, and we won't have time. That is the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Titchfield High on 11 points, Campion College on 10 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. The grand finals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2016 returns right after these messages.